Hello, welcome to this video. Here we will learn pointers and functions. Like normal variable, pointer variable can be passed as argument or parameter to the function, and after execution function can return pointer back to the main program like normal variable. In C, there are two common method or approaches are used for passing argument to the function. One is call by value, other is call by reference or address. First, call by value. In this approach, the values of variable are passed as function argument to the function definition. Programs we return for function all that uses this approach call by value. Let's see a small program that will demonstrate call by value. So here in this function, I declared a function void fun in bracket int x comma int y, that is function declaration or function prototyping. Then in void main I declare int x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. Then I'm using printf statement displaying same values, printf before calling percent xy, that means values of x and y 10 20 will be displayed. Then I'm calling function fun to which I'm passing x and y. Now this x and y acts as a actual parameter whose copy will be passed to the function, and function it has its own x and y, they are acts as a formal parameter. So then I'm calling or using printf statement to print values of x and y after calling. Then in void fun function, so after function call, program will jump to function and it will, I'm using first printf statement that calling the values of x and y, that means what are the formal parameter display. Then I'm updating x plus plus and y plus plus. This here it is two values are updated, and then printing values after updation. So if I run this program, initially first statement, this statement will get execute, that is values before calling. So values before calling, that is x and y values 10 and 20 will be printed. Then program jumps to function call, that is it goes to the function. Inside a function, first statement is printf values inside function before update, that is x and y, copies of x and y taken. So here again values of x and y are same 10 and 20 because we are not updated it, means up to this statement. So output will be values inside function before updated 10 and 20, same as it is get executed. Then after this printf, second statement is x plus plus, that is x is equal to x plus 1 and y is equal to y plus 1. That means x will become 11 and y will become 21. Then it is printing values inside function after updation. So this print statement will get printed. So values 11 and 21 will be printed, and after execution of this function, program comes back to the original program, main program, that is last statement in main program, printf values after calling. So when you display these values after calling 10 and 20, because original values remain intact, because when we call function we pass copy of variable x and y to formal parameters x and y. This is call by value. Second approach of function call is call by reference or call by address. In this approach, the references or addresses of variables are passed instead of variable itself. References are passed as argument to the function. Now we will write a simple program that will demonstrate call by reference or address. So as usual, function declaration where void is return data type, fun is the name, and in parameter list int star p1 comma int star p2 semicolon. Now here p1 p2 are declared as a pointers because star is mentioned. Then in main we declare int x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, and as usual we print values before calling. Then we are calling function fun, and to which we are passing address of x and address of y. It is same as p1 is equal to address of x, like this. So instead of declaring star p1 here, I declare here. So address of x will be given to p1 and address of y will be given to p2. Then printf statement of values after calling function. Okay. Then we'll come to the function definition void fun int star p1 comma int star p2. In inside function we display values inside function before update star, that is now star p1 comma star p2, that is here it is star p1 is nothing but value at address p1, right, and value at p2, that means what values are stored at p1 and p2. So now star p1, that is value at p1 is equal to 11. Now I am assigning new values, that is star p1 value at p1 is equal to 11, and star p2 is equal to 22, that is value at p2 is equal to 22, and I am displaying values up inside function after update. Then close. So once I run this program, what will happen? Values before calling, that is 10 and 20 will be displayed because first statement will get executed and it will display this. Then program jumps to the function where first statement is values inside function before update. So values inside function before update is again 10 and 20 will be displayed. Then what it is doing, value add, because we are using star p1 is equal to 11, so in place of 10 it will become 11, and value at p2 it becomes 22. So it after that one it will display this value. If you check, 11 and 22 will be displayed, that is star p1 star p2, and then program comes back to the main program. That last statement will get executed. Now if you check x and y whose addresses have been passed, not the copy, so program will jump to that address. So values, updated values will come back to the main program, that is 11 and 22. So diagrammatically you can see that x is displayed stored 10 at, for example, address 1 2 3 4 6, and y is stored at address 2 3 4 5 6 20. So these addresses will be given to P1 and P2. So P value at P, that is P1 star will be 1 2 3 4, and P2 will be 2 3 4 5 6. So value at, so they are pointing to this. So that is why it goes to that address and change star P1, that is value at 1 2 3 4 6, and star P2 is value at 2 3 4 6. So it will go to that and changes the values. Thank you for watching this video.